Over the last decade, I've dedicated my life to understanding the complexities of finance. From earning a degree in finance to qualifying as an accountant and working in investment banking, I've learned invaluable lessons on managing personal finances, identifying bad money habits, and breaking free from them. Here, I'll share 9 common bad money habits that often hold people back, along with tips on how to overcome them. One of the key lessons from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad is to pay yourself first. Many people pay their bills, fund social plans, and save whatever might be left, if anything. Instead, set aside at least 10% of your income into your savings account as soon as you get paid. Treat this like any other bill to ensure you prioritize your financial future. Debt has become normalized, with people using credit for everyday purchases like gifts and clothes. My rule is simple. If I can't afford to pay for it outright, I don't buy it with debt. Credit card companies thrive on consumers' financial mismanagement. Avoid high-interest debt and only use credit if you can pay it off immediately. To achieve financial goals, you need a clear understanding of your income and expenses. Lifestyle inflation, where spending increases as income rises, can trap you in a cycle of financial instability. Track your assets, liabilities, and monthly spending to stay on top of your finances and plan effectively. While enjoying hobbies is important, expensive hobbies can drain your finances. To improve your financial position, focus on saving more of your existing income and creating additional income streams. Balance is key. Both saving and earning more will contribute to building wealth. Taxes are often the largest expense in one's life. While everyone must pay taxes, understanding tax rules and using strategies like ISAs or Roth IRAs can minimize your tax bill. This allows you to use your money more effectively, either for investments or charitable contributions that align with your values. Once you have a sufficient savings buffer, it's time to invest. Diversify your investments to manage risk and avoid leaving too much money in a bank account where it loses value due to inflation. Start early to leverage compound interest and let your money work for you over time. While saving is crucial, it has its limits. To truly build wealth, you must also focus on increasing your income. Whether through investments, asking for a raise, or starting a side hustle, look for opportunities to grow your earnings alongside your savings. Social media often fuels unhealthy comparisons, leading to unnecessary spending. Focus on your own financial goals rather than trying to match others' lifestyles. This mindset shift can help you make better financial decisions and reduce stress. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to fall into bad habits. Define what you want to achieve financially and outline the steps needed to get there. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed to stay on track. Breaking free from bad money habits requires awareness, discipline, and a proactive approach to managing your finances. By implementing these tips, you can set yourself on the path to financial freedom and build a secure, prosperous future.